Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you the new option of drag and drop of process templates. Now, a process template, as we all know, is a template that has several operations in them. So, for example, if I were to take inside my task pane over here from the process template, a template such as this one, which has a face mill and a pocket recognition operation, and drag it to this face over here, or any of the faces over here in this particular case, it will create two operations with the geometry for the first one of the face mill and the geometry of the second one as well for the pocket recognition, and it will calculate the operations as well, giving you the toolpath for everything. The face mill as shown over here and the pocket recognition as shown over here. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.